In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Blogger blog with Google Analytics step by step so that you'll be able to track your visitors, for example, which pages they're going from, which location they're visiting your website, and many other performance stats. So without further ado, let's proceed. So first of all, I'm going to take you here on a new tab, and then I'm going to make a search for Google Analytics. Click on Google Analytics here. And after that, I'm going to click on Go to Analytics. After that, you'll see this account setup page where you have to add our account. So I'm going to provide a name here. Let's say Blogger Sites. Since I'm going to add multiple Blogger sites under this account, so I've given this name. So I'm going to click here and let's click on Next. After that, we have to add the property. So the property is the website. For each blog, we have to create a new property. So for this property, I'm going to provide the name. And after that, the reporting time zone. So I'm going to select my time zone. So let's click on Next. And after that, we have to provide our business details. So industry category is required. So I'm going to click here and my category is jobs and education. And after that, the business size, I'm going to click on small. Let's click on Next. After that, they are going to ask us for business objectives. So if your website is about generating leads or driving sales like with an e-commerce store, then you can select this one. Or if you are selling services, select this one. So since I want to simply track the user behavior, so I'm going to select this one, understand web and or app traffic, right? And then I want to read this data as well. So I've selected these options, but according to your need, you can set the other things as well, right? So I'm going to click on create, and after that we have to read the terms and service agreement. So I'm going to click on I accept this terms and service, and then scroll a bit down. I'm going to select this one, and after that let's click on I accept. Now it's time to choose the data collection platform. For example, you have web, Android app, and iOS app. So since we are setting this up for a website, so I'm going to click on web. After that, we have to provide our website details. So if you don't have a custom domain yet, you can put your Blogspot domain as well. For example, if I had this domain, I would simply type my domain like that and I'd provide my website name right there and I'd move on. But since we have our custom domain here, so I'm going to copy this domain from here. Let's go back and I'm going to paste the domain, and we have to remove this HTTPS and this sign from here. And for website name, I'm going to type out my website name right here. And after that, the enhanced measurement is already selected, but if you want to customize, simply click here and then you will find all of these options, right? So I have got all of the details that I need already selected. So it's time to click on create and continue button. After that, you will get this installation code. So I'm going to copy this code from here, and it's time to go back to our Blogger backend and then go to themes. After that, click here on this down arrow icon, and then you will find this edit HTML option. So let's click on this. After that, hit Command F or Control F, and then type out this thing, head, and here you go. This is the head tag. So right after the head tag, we're gonna hit enter, and then we're going to paste the information that we have just copied, right? So here you go. This is the code that we have just copied and we have pasted. Now it's time to save this code. So let's cross this out. Now let's click on save. And here we go, update successful. We can get out of this place, and then let's go back to our analytics page. And after that, we're going to click on test installation. And if you scroll a bit down, you're going to find this option. Your Google tag was correctly detected on your website. That means our website is now connected with Google Analytics. Now let's click on confirm. And then you will be landed to this page from where you will get your measurement ID. So if you copy this, you can do this manually again. So let's go back to our Blogger backend. Let's go to settings. And after that, from this Google Analytics measurement ID, if I click here and paste it right there, let's click on save. Now, if I simply visit this website, let's say I want to visit this blog. And after that, if I take you back here on Google Analytics, let's cross this out. And after that, I'm going to click on next. And as you can see, data collection is pending. So it might going to take up to 48 hours to get the data appearing. But before that, I'm going to click here on continue to home. And after that, you can see some activities already started appearing here. So now if I click on view real time, we'll be able to see from which country people are visiting and which pages people are visiting on, right? So just take a look, all the data here appearing. So now the data is being recorded. As you can see, I'm from Derby, the location is being visible here, and then I'm visiting this page, right? So now if I go to any other pages, for example, let's say if I visit to this page, it should show us the activities here. Here you go, the data has been updated. As you can see, this is the page that I am currently visiting. Alright, so now I'll be able to track data of my visitors. I can see from which location to which pages people are visiting, and many other stuffs that I can do from inside this Google Analytics, right? So this was for the video. I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and let me know your opinion by commenting below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos in future. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.